back for another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my content. Please subscribe to all of those who watch my videos but do not subscribe. I upload every Tuesdays and Saturdays. But without further ado, let's just get into this video. So I decided I wanted to do a green set. I'm just using different shades of green, and I'm gonna do a set using stiletto tips. I got these off Amazon. Everything I use in this video will be linked down below. So I'm gonna adhere these using the SXC Cosmetics glue gel. This is my favorite. I absolutely love it. So I just put a little bit of that at the cuticle part of the tip, and then I apply it onto my natural nail, starting at the cuticle and then pressing down till it gets to the free edge, and then I put it in the nail lamp for 15 to 30 seconds. And then at the end, once I've applied all of my tips, I do go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. And then I'm going to go ahead and reshape these and then buff off the surface shine. I do really enjoy these little buff and blocks. I got them on Amazon. I really do enjoy them. It's like a lot easier than the big ones. I don't know why, but I just go over the surface of the nails just to make sure I didn't get any of that glue stuck on top of the nail. And this is what they look like. You do want to go ahead and brush off the dust, and then I'm going to go in with this base coat from LiQWYD. I'm just going to go ahead and do a thin layer of that over all of the nails, making sure I do a 30-second cure once I'm finished. So once I'm finished applying that base coat to all the nails, I did cure like I said, and I'm going to go in with this nude shade. This is from LiQWYD as well. I'm going to do a French tip on the ring finger, so I'm applying a full nail of that nude. I believe this color is called Cream. This color was perfect, and I just do one coat of this, making sure I clean up around the edges of my cuticle. And then I did cure that for 30 seconds. And then on all the rest of the nails, I go in with this green shade from LiQWYD. I want to say this is called Lime. But like I said, everything I use will be linked down below. I love this color. This is like my shade of green. So I just did a coat of that on all the nails and then cured as well. And I did go ahead, like I said, and used a cleanup brush to clean around my cuticle area. So once those are finished curing, I did apply a base coat to my ring fingernail just because I am gonna be applying a green. I didn't want it to bleed into that nude shade. So this is just gonna protect that color from the green color. And then I did cure that. So I'm gonna use this, I believe this brand is called Joslove. They actually sent out their gel liners to me to test, and I absolutely love them, you guys. Gel liners are a must-have in all, you know, anybody who does nail art, you have to have gel liners. It makes it like doing this was so much easier than, you know, me having to use my liner brush. This, I don't know, it was so much easier. But I highly recommend liner brushes, and I will have this brand link down below for you guys as well. This shade of green is beautiful too. This is like a perfect spring summer color. But I just did the outline and then I filled it in. And I actually decided to apply glitter on the top of this. Now, I don't think I've ever done this, so I was kind of like nervous about it because I didn't know how it would turn out. But once I'm finished filling it in, I did go ahead and apply glitter. Now, I didn't cure this. This is wet polish, that green. So I'm just applying the glitter to that wet polish all over the outline. And then I cure it. Before I even dust it off, I cure this nail. And I did a 30-second cure. And then I brushed off the excess glitter, and I was having trouble because I had some of the glitter on the nude part of the nail. So I was just showing you that I took my buffing block and just buffed it off, and it came off perfectly fine. And then I did go ahead and add a layer of this glue gel. Now, you don't have to, but I just wanted to be on the safe side, and I just added a layer of that base gel. And then you saw I just wiped it off with some alcohol so it wasn't sticky. Now, moving on to the middle finger, I wanted to do like the blooming. So I took out 3 shades of gel polish. The darker green is a reflective gel, and then it's the same green that's on the nail itself. And then I just took my dotting tool and mixed those colors together. And then before you add anything, you do want to go ahead and add a base coat, an even layer over the nail. And then taking your brush, I did clean up around the cuticle area, but I did just scoop up some of that mixed gel polish, and then I just brushed it over the nail lightly. And this is wet base gel, it's not cured yet. And that is what it looks like. I think that's probably one of my favorite nails. This whole set, I don't know, it's tough. And then I did cure that for 30 seconds. And then here on the pointer finger, I'm gonna do like a swirl nail. Like I said it before, I don't know what else to call it, but I just used that reflective green polish from McCart, and then I just make a swirl. And I do two coats of this. And you do want to go ahead and make sure that you clean it up. And then I use that same green shade of that gel liner from Joslove, and I do on the inside of the nail. On the inside of the line that's previously there, I go and just outline it, just a very thin line. And then I cured that for 30 seconds as well. And then here I'm gonna apply some cuticle crystals, so I'm applying my top coat. And then I just adhere those rhinestones into that top coat. And what I do, it's simple. I just did the bigger rhinestone in the middle, and as they go out, they go smaller. And then I did cure that, and then I moved on to the pinky nail. I just did the same thing, but instead of going around the cuticle, I went up the middle of the nail, and I did the same thing. I put a bigger one in the middle, and as they go out on either side, they get smaller. And then I did do the thumbnail off camera, and I just did that all of the, you know, a solid green nail. I think that's my favorite, like using rhinestones, like going up the nail, that's my favorite. And then after I'm finished, I do a full cure on the whole hand. And then I apply my cuticle oil. Oh, I did apply a top coat to the rest of the nails as well. This has to be one of my favorite sets I've done this spring, summer, whatever. I think this is probably one of my favorite ones. And it's probably because it's my favorite color, I don't know, but I absolutely enjoyed doing this set. I didn't have it planned out, but it came out beautifully. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.